When you log into Creative Cloud, you're doing more than simply activating a software license. You're gaining access to a design environment that evolves as you do. A Creative Cloud identity provides access to the latest creative apps from Adobe. As a connected creative, you can capture ideas anywhere, mock up designs without hesitation, and always stay on brand using Creative Cloud libraries. Unleash your creativity with access to thousands of Typekit fonts and the ability to create and remix stories with Adobe Spark. Be inspired by the Behance community and actively promote your designs using Portfolio. You're no longer an anonymous user, and that makes administration simpler for IT admins as well. A named license enables IT admins to easily delegate and track Adobe licenses throughout your organization from a central admin console. Ask IT to download the Named User Licensing Migration Guide and unlock the full potential of Creative Cloud.